Very, it's long but has a very long slit. My headscarf like this, it's usually to put the attention more to the outfit and the headscarf. So for this outfit I decided to pair my bodysuit, this navy blue bodysuit, and my this is a mini little jumpsuit, but these are the hands. I just tried to make it as a pant, so it's more of a culotte. So this, I want the attention to be more on the trouser. That's why I have tied the headscarf down, and my hoop earrings and headscarf always look perfect and always look so good. So I don't mind wearing hoop earrings all the time. And yeah, that's the entire outfit. And my black suede 1-inch heels. And next outfit, I'm also wearing my headscarf down because I want the attention to be on the outfit. I'm wearing this see-through top with my skirt. It's a it's long but has a very long slit. And to the outfit, wear headscarf down. My next outfit is this full neck crop top that I DIY'd. You will leave a link to that video of how I cut this. It was a very long sweater and palazzo pants with my pink Vans. I have had these pants for over, I think, 5 years. But I have pull neck. I can't have my headscarf down like in the previous outfit. I prefer this because it's up and it's out of the way from here, and went with my pearl earrings because they're not hoops, because I already have a full neck. And so this is to make everything subtle and more calmed down. This is how I decided to pair this outfit. It's more casual, street in a way, because of the palazzo and also the Vans. So for my last outfit is my dress. So here I decided to tie my head wrap at the front of my head, so that the attention can be on the dress, not on the headscarf. I went with my black suede 1-inch heels. These are really easy to pull out with this kind of dress. I would wear this outfit is mostly church, going to see shows, because it's a decent length. It's not too short, it's not too long. You're still feeling comfortable and you still look fashionable and chic. Yeah, those are the looks that I put together for you. Tell me in the comment section if you were able to try out the headscarf, the tying of a headscarf from my previous video. I will leave a link, you go watch it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to leave a thumbs up, comment, subscribe, share. It means a lot.